Hi, my friends in canoeing. As far as individual sports are concerned, running or swimming, for example, are available for everyone. The heart, lungs, and the muscles are working. At the end of the workout, you feel good. You just need that little extra. No hormone of happiness is produced. Anyone who has reached a certain level of skiing knows what I mean. After a good downhill skiing session, you are jumping for joy. You experience the same thing in a competitive canoe. After reaching a certain level, the 35 centimeter wide unstable boat flies under the canoeist.